Having trouble getting Streamlabs to connect to your streaming server? We'll go over 3 practical solutions in this little video to help you restore your connection. These fixes seek to promptly fix the failed to connect to streaming server error, regardless of whether it's a settings issue or a more serious system issue. Go to your Twitch user profile settings connections. Disconnect Streamlabs, then reconnect it. Open your browser, for example Chrome. Go to Settings, More Tools, Clear Browsing Data. Check Site Settings and clear data for all time. Search and download Visual C++ Redistributable for Visual Studio 2015. Install the version matching your Windows system, 32-bit or 64-bit. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.